Quick daily outlook video for the daily candle confirmation strategy. No trades to review from yesterday for the strategy, so yeah, nothing to touch base on that. Quick update on the gold and GBP trade that we've got going on. Had a little bit of a daily retracement on gold yesterday. In reality, the position is something like this at the moment. Something like that, give or take. So still very much running in profit, but yeah, bit of a retracement yesterday. But yeah, on a weekly basis, nothing really to worry about. Not that I trade weekly candle confirmation. I've not got the best data from it, but maybe I need to start doing a little bit more back testing for it. But on a weekly basis, all it's done is just retested the old high from 2 weeks ago. And the weekly candle confirmation strategy then includes a 1 hour market structure shift, which this has had as it's left a fair value gap here, and it's closed above the swing. Oh no, it's not closed above a swing level properly actually. Oh no, so no market structure shift unless we want to think that might be a slight swing high there. You probably have to search for it though. But yeah, at the moment, nothing more than a pullback in gold, so nothing to be too concerned about. Anyway, so for the daily outlook, so there's a handful of pairs that we've got the potential. They're all some of the minor pairs. So we've got CHF, JPY. Not my most preferable one, just because it's not the strongest conviction in the world for the close here below the low from Friday. It has technically closed below the low from Friday, so it is valid, but it's not my favourite. On two parts: A, let's say the close isn't that strong, and B, it has just taken this big liquidity run here, which is an old low set in from a week or so ago. Yeah, so the weekly low from the week commencing the 16th of December. But what I'm hoping is that that's just essentially a reversal off that liquidity run. So essentially it's found support. I'm hoping it's just having a quick move up off the support and then to come down and take this low. So there's no reason at the minute to think that to basically have a change in bias. It's been bearish since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 last days. And so yeah, still very much looking for a short on this. They have already come up and obviously tested the level here. We've gone shot straight through it. So we've got Asia highs put in place on this 1 a.m. candle. So all I would be looking for really is to take Asia high, got an alert set for that. If we take Asia high and then have a strong 15-minute reaction and then a retest, then I'll be looking for an entry, but yeah, nothing on as of yet. GBP AUD is one I quite like, A, because it's running with a trade that I've already got, so it's added confirmation for that, and it's also very bearish at the moment, so just to clear that trade for now. So yeah, again, it's been very bearish for the last 5 days, and really strong conviction yesterday with a very strong close below a low from Friday there, which is very much a doji candle. A doji candle is essentially where there's no real direction and it pretty much closes where it opens, which you can see there. It closed maybe 0.2 pips above where it opened. So yeah, really strong conviction on yesterday's candle. So looking for it to come up, tap the level that we've got here from Friday's low, and roll over and basically take out the high from yesterday. Asia's session's really not done very much. So Asia's session here started at 12. All it's done is swing down a little bit. To be honest, I'm kind of expecting this to clean out the prior day low before it has any sort of reaction up. But yeah, if it does offer it, it's for sure one I'm looking to get in because the conviction was so strong yesterday. And again, it trends with the trade that we've already got in based on the 4-hour strategy. These two I think are pretty good for it at the moment. So EuroCAD I do like. So EuroCAD has already come up, already tested the low from Friday. So the daily candle confirmation bit is already tick. all I'm waiting for now is it for it to take Asia high, because it did this before the Asia session open. It also had really strong close below the low from Friday, and there is a good range of trading to go to get to the low from yesterday. So it's got quite a long target, which is good because it means I can give a longer stop loss, and say it does come up, take Asia high, so I can get an entry around. Let's say I can get an entry around here, for example. If I use a 1-to-1, that still gives me range into the high from yesterday. So yeah, this is a play that I quite like at the minute. As I say, just at the moment waiting for it to take Asia high, which it looks like it's going to any second. I think once 8 a.m. opens and the European trading session opens, Asia high is going to get very, very comfortably dealt with. And then, yeah, it's just going to be a case of looking for that 15-minute retracement, which will hopefully happen by the morning. Then GBP CAD is another very similar play. GBP at the moment has got slightly less conviction as Euro. So if I look at Euro GBP, for example, and again, just to explain myself, you can see Euro has been very, very, very bullish against GBP over the last 4 or 5 days. So yeah, Euro's got a little bit more conviction than GBP at the moment. GBP CAD here, you can see it's been bearish for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9 of the last 10 days. So yeah, very much looking for this to continue. What it looks like has happened is it's taken the liquidity set from here in November, had a bit of a bullish reaction off that, and then I'm fully expecting it to roll over and take the prior day low and essentially continue its move to take some of the liquidity down here, for example. So yeah, I certainly don't think that it's finished yet. So we can see what price has done. Essentially on that 10 o'clock open, it's pushed up nearly into that candle confirmation level. There we go, EuroCAD's just given it. Nearly into that candle confirmation level, and then Asia session has just been a bunch of consolidation. It's really not done much. It's had a move of 7 down to basically 30 pips throughout the whole session. So yeah, really not done a great deal. So what we're looking for price to do, come out, take Asia high, have a reaction off the daily candle confirmation level, then retest, giving our entry, and then we'll look for it to come down and take it out there. Not the cleanest little example, but you see what I'm trying to do. So yeah, going to very much be looking for that. Let's say Euro's just given me my my notification, so I'm going to keep an eye on Euro from sort of here on out, ready for a 15-minute retracement. I'm still expecting a bit of bullish momentum through 8 o'clock, to be honest. So I certainly don't think that Euro entry is going to give it right away. So yeah, one I'll be keeping my eye on, but I think these two pairs, Euro CAD, GBP CAD, are certainly the two most favourable looking ones at the moment. If GBP AUD can give it, good. If not, I'm not going to be mad, because really what I want to happen, given that I'm in this already, is for it to roll over and just take this low before it offers any sort of retracement. That would be preferable, but we'll see. Anyway, that's everything. Yeah, enjoy. Have a good day. See you in a bit.